Today, you're about to see something that challenges imagination, something so futuristic, it feels like it escaped from tomorrow's world. This is not a bus. This is not just a motorhome. This is an AI-generated vision of a Bugatti-inspired 3-story luxury motorhome, an engineering marvel that turns the highway into its own private runway. From the outside, the vehicle looks like nothing else on the road. Stretching longer than a semi-truck and rising higher than most houses, it's designed with the flowing curves of a supercar but scaled to the size of a mansion. Golden LED strips trace along its glossy white bodywork, while multiple oversized wheels anchor the structure like the foundation of a skyscraper. Floor-to-ceiling glass wraps around each of the 3 levels, glowing from within, making it look like a futuristic palace gliding through the open highway. Step into the cockpit, and it feels less like a vehicle and more like the command center of a spaceship. A sweeping panoramic windshield dominates the front, while the dashboard glows with holographic displays, touch-sensitive panels, and golden accent lighting. The steering wheel is inspired by luxury sports cars, trimmed with chrome and leather, giving the driver the sensation of piloting a starship across the asphalt. The bedroom is a serene retreat, compact but refined. A queen-sized bed floats within soft golden ambient lighting, framed by curved walls of glass that open to the world outside. Whether you're parked in the desert or overlooking a skyline, the view becomes part of the design. At night, the warm glow transforms the bedroom into a cocoon of comfort, a futuristic suite designed for rest and relaxation. The kitchen is sleek and efficient, blending futuristic minimalism with luxury finishes. Glossy cabinetry, retractable counters, integrated smart appliances, and underlighting make it feel like something straight from a penthouse. Every detail is designed to maximize space without sacrificing elegance, turning even the simplest meal into a premium experience. The bathroom continues the theme of compact luxury. Smooth, curved walls surround a rainfall shower lit with glowing strips of light. A floating vanity with chrome fixtures and polished surfaces makes the space feel more like a spa than a motorhome. For those who crave lifestyle on the go, this motorhome doesn't stop there. A dedicated gym is built in, equipped with a treadmill, smart bike, and weight systems, all finished in carbon fiber and chrome. Mirrored walls and panoramic windows expand the sense of space, letting you work out while the scenery passes by. Then comes the lounge, the social heart of this futuristic villa on wheels. Plush leather seating curves along the walls, surrounding a sleek glass table. Golden ambient lights run along the ceiling and windows, casting a warm glow across the room. Panoramic glass frames the outside world, making the lounge feel both cozy and grand at the same time. Whether it's movie nights, quiet evenings, or gatherings with friends, this space is designed to make memories in motion. Altogether, this Bugatti-inspired 3-story motorhome is more than just transportation, it's a vision of how design, technology, and luxury could merge into one moving masterpiece. It's not just a vehicle. It's not just a home. It's a futuristic palace on wheels, redefining what it means to travel in style. So the question is, would you live in a motorhome like this, a 3-story mansion gliding across highways, complete with a bedroom, lounge, gym, and more? Or is this the kind of fantasy only billionaires could ever touch? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if this insane futuristic design blew your mind, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the next concept takes motorhome luxury to an even more unbelievable level.